Hello friends, welcome to my channel DK Technical Mate. So today I'm going to show you Vibrance UX version 1.5 for J2 Prime. As you know that we already launched the first review of Vibrance UX in our YouTube channel. So if you are not watched this, so go to on YouTube and watch our first review of Vibrance UX version 1.5. So simply go on YouTube and search DK Technical Mate and watch our first review of Vibrance UX J2 Prime. And on that video you can find great stuff about Vibrance UX and its features. Okay, so you can watch this video. We put the video description in description link. Okay, so today we are going to show you how to download Vibrance UX version 1.5 and what's new in Vibrance UX version 1.5 and what are the bugs in Vibrance UX version 1.5. So let's start the video. So first we are telling this ROM support VoLTE features. Okay, but VoLTE are work on only for Indian users. Okay, not for another country users. If you are use VoLTE for another country like Philippines, Indonesia, Brazil, so you can put the CSV files in the system app menu. Okay, and after putting the CSV file you need able to use VoLTE in your country. Okay, in default we are put the Indian CSV file in the system menu, so you need to put your own CSV file, own country CSV file. Okay, so we are talking about the what's new features in Vibrance UX. So first, as you can look that all the setting UI has been changed. Okay, as you know that in previous ROM you can see the setting bar in like something different, like all are the in long form. Okay, so in Vibrance UX version 1.5 you can look this setting UI and this look amazing, but you need to face some problem about handle the setting. Okay, so you need to handle the setting by logo icon. Okay, ठीक है. Then friend, just suppose we need to go on about device, so we can click on that and we need to go on performance, so we need to click on that and it's give the free space about 2.8 GB. ठीक. After ODX this ROM you can easily get 2.8 GB internal space free in your internal drive. Okay, so first we are talking about the messaging app. Okay, so you look this the messaging UI all are changed because we are apply the one theme, that is DNA0. This theme are given by default. Okay, so after installing the ROM that theme will automatically apply in your mobile. Okay, so look here, this is the DNA theme that given pre-build. Look this theme given in pre-build. Okay, that is the 1 second, this thing given in default. Okay, and you can easily get 2.8 GB storage free in this Vibrance UX. Okay, so first we are telling you how you download this ROM. So first go to our website. So you need to go on our website, so open the browser and search DK Technical Mate. You can open any browser like Firefox and Chrome. Okay, so first search DK Technical Mate on Google, then open the first one, that is DK Technical Mate Home. So we can open it, and after open it you can see you need to find Vibrance UX version 1.5. look this, you can also find it by helping the search button. Okay, so you need to click on that for search Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. So we need to click on that and search Vibrance UX. Here you can see that there are one Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. This is the version 1 and this is the latest one. Okay, so we need to download latest one. So first we click on Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. After clicking on Vibrance UX J2 Prime you need to scroll down, and we are scrolling down, and after wait some time, just some second, we can find and also see the download button on this area. Okay, so we need to wait 40 seconds something around. So we need to wait. These Vibrance UX have many more features like setting Olivia or changed and many more things. You can also discover all the great stuffs in Vibrance UX after installing this ROM in your device. Okay, so here are the description about Vibrance UX. Just suppose why are the Vibrance UX and what are the great stuffs. So here download link will appear after waiting the 50 seconds. Okay, so we need to click on that button to download Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. So I am already downloaded, so you need to click on that for download Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. Okay, so after clicking on that you need to follow some step to unlock the Vibrance UX download button. We click on Take Me, and after clicking on Take Me we can see the look this UI. So we need to follow more 2 steps to unlock the Vibrance UX download link. Okay, so first click on one ads. After clicking on that we need to click on one ads of dktechnicalmate.com website. Okay, you can click on any ads. Okay, so we block the ads blocker. So refresh this page and you can see the ads had appear in just a second. So here look, we need to click on one ad. So you click on any ad, so we click on this ads. Okay, you can click on any ads, header ads, footer ads, any ads. Okay, so we need to click on that. So after loading this ads full, so we need to press the back button. Watch full video this ads loading. Okay, we are successfully load these ads and press the back button, and here you can see the 1 steps are successfully completed. That is denoted by green tick signal. Okay, so we need to follow second step, that is subscribe. We need to subscribe DK Technical Mate YouTube channel. So I am already subscribed it, and if you are not subscribed it, then press the subscribe button and also on the bell icon, and if you already subscribed then press the back button. Okay, so after subscribing the YouTube channel we need to click on unlock. Okay, so click on unlock button, and then after clicking on unlock button we can see that UI. So click on get link. Okay, close this, and after close this you can see our Telegram channel. Right now I am not uploading the download link, but after some time I will upload it. Okay, so you can also get a download link in our Telegram by joining the Telegram channel or group. Okay, so click on back. Here are some steps to download the Vibrance UX for J2 Prime and for J2 Prime viewers. Okay, so we can describe you what's new in Vibrance UX. So first is that is the rooted ROM. Okay, then you can see the phone UI. The VoLTE features are already working, as you can look at the top bar menu. This VoLTE feature. Okay, so you can close this, and you can also see the system UI setting and the setting bar menu. This is the greatest new features of the new version of Vibrance UX. So, but one bug in the Vibrance UX version 1.5, that is Bluetooth. This Bluetooth is always on. Do not off this Bluetooth, because this is the bug of Vibrance UX. We are try to fix recently this to the final version. Okay, so we will ignore this bug because this is not a greatest bugs. Okay, and then Wi-Fi is finally 100% working. Okay, and the hotspot is also working, and the torch is also working. Everything is working great, but only the Bluetooth are not work. Okay, you can pair anything device for Bluetooth, but this is not off. Okay, so we need to fix this bug recently. Okay, so please wait for final version of Vibrance UX for fix this bug. For Vibrance UX version 1.5, this is the beta version. Okay, we cannot release the final version after getting some community comments and reviews, so we can fix all the bugs. Okay, so this is the review of Vibrance UX. So subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video and join our Telegram group for great stuffs. Okay friends, we meet in next video.